Guys, when I talk Spanish or what? Or I talk too fast or what? Guys, me just gotta talk plain and frank. Is that okay? Just I talk it plain. Plain. Alright, so guys. For example, my mother want go on hospice go dead. Right? Me no believe say if you dead I want hospice. I believe say if you have a house, you must dead at your yard. Dead at your yard. But I understand say some people want dead at hospice. That me I say. You get what I mean? So dead at yard versus dead at one hospice. Oh, not everyone is... Oh, sorry guys. I never did know that. She said, not everyone here is Jamaican. I am not. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. So what I'm saying is, my mom, she wants to finish her life at a hospice. But I'm an advocate for passing away in your home. Just because, like, even when we visit her, you know, when you go to the hospice, they have like visiting hours. So the visiting hours are like 1 hour or sometimes maybe 2. But when she's in the comfort of her own home, we can visit her anytime we want. We have more time with her. Guys, mommy said one day she just go to her bed and don't wake up back. She said one day she go to her bed and don't wake. Bite me there, may I block you? Cannot annoy me. May I block you? Guys, when you stop telling me foolishness on my ears about speak life. When you stop telling me foolishness. Please. When you stop telling me foolishness on my ears. Stop telling me foolishness. You see the only way my mother can get healed? If God heal her. When you stop telling me foolishness, you're too fool for big people. When you're too fool. Jesus, me never say I set a big people fool, so. And you know, I'm glad say mommy in a fool like you know. Cause she did fool like you know, she would get for put her house in order. On the two, me no know for big people. The only person that can heal the lady is God. On the top talk foolishness, of course God can't heal her, but me can't heal her. So you know me have to work with what me know for be true. Too fool man, for big people. That's why I wonder if I'm the first person ever say have cancer. The first person ever say have cancer? You know how much people guys sick and plan them funeral? Only didn't know that? So enough people sick and plan them sick bed them plan them funeral. Guys, we don't know how much people guys sick and plan them own funeral. Wanna live under one rock. I want rock wanna live under make on a fool so. Mighty God. If me tell you that the woman plan her funeral now and I say, oh God, you want your mother for dead. I don't want your mother for dead, baby love, but a reality, sweetie pie. A reality. Jesus. And that is the reason why I want more people come on the internet, guys. And you need to talk about stuff like this so people more aware. Because you see, maybe because only my family come and talk about stuff like this, it seems foreign to people. So people plan them funeral. But it not strange, it not weird, it not far-fetched. But maybe because of me and mommy alone in the sea, we come. Guys, when this one happy wife post. When I go to Jamaica last month, when this one happy wife post say, I now go see Carla again. When they see that, when this one happy wife they post that, I did in one black clothes. When this one she post that, alright. So she posts that now. That's how she feel. That not means that she has said she don't want me to ever see her again. She not say me don't want ever see my daughter again. But with her current situation that she's in, she knows say if God not heal her, she not go see her daughter again. Guys, using a brain, when you too fool. Jesus. The woman say, me not go see my daughter again. That means that she hate her daughter? If she says she not go see her daughter again, that means that she hate her daughter, guys? Come on. We can't so slow. That means that she hate her daughter? It just means that because of how sick she is right now, she not think she got her daughter go see her again. Using a brain. Lord. Guys, boy, I'm hope. Boy, I don't know. I don't know. I understand though, say, mommy, at the first, maybe social media person ever come sit on social media was sick, was late out so plain. So I figure you the benefit of the doubt and say to you say, maybe because at first you ever see something like this. At first you ever see something like this? Guys, tap up the live. Tap, 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 tap. At first you ever see something like this? At first? Jesus. When you want me to come up here and say, my mother walk up and down, she una sick, una sick. And that guy now tell me to the guy and say, Carla, big people can't fool, so. Me I say, boy, guy, me don't ever fool them foolish, or if them just. Me don't know. When you see her and RG say, you know what, Carla, most people keep it as a secret. So because you open, them can't believe it. Oh, maybe that is true. Maybe that is true. But guys, what me know for be true, based off conversations when I have with a lot of other people, guys, tap. People plan them funeral. Guys, cancer patients, when they put on in a big girl underpants and in a big boy brief. You see people who are terminally ill, it's normal for them plan them funeral. Yeah. Light bulb, it's normal. It's normal. Most people don't really come and talk about them sickness for the same reason like this. But my mother come and she talk about it. Me come and me talk about it. Because it no foreign, it no weird. That is a must. Them weird. Guys, me all up on a live. Alright, I post over Facebook, right? I post a video on mommy over Facebook. Them sister the video today, you know. Them ask me, say, she passed away. Me I say, them people there, where them come from? Me I say, where them come from? Where them set of people here come from? The people them don't know. All them do a drink rum. All them do a drink. Come like all them do a drink rum. Like them not. God. Again I say, Carla, I never know. So big people could have come. So again over there post to mommy the people them I say, is this video current or not? Because I heard that she passed away. People. When I forgot to do better than this, you know? When I forgot to do better than this. Till me I say, boy, I don't know, yeah. As I put up a... God. My husband planned everything, so I was prepared, which made it easier for me. Delaney, them not like hear stuff like that. Them not like hear stuff like say, yeah, plan your funeral. Them say, speak life. Them does. I don't know where them come from. 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 God know. I don't know. That's true. Jamaicans no read, hide anything from them in a one book. Them can't hurt my head, you know. Because I don't pay them their mind. I just realize that them slow. You will make a post and you will say, I am going to miss my mom. I am going to miss my mom. The people then put up condolences. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. You say, I am. Mighty God. From my born. You hear me tell you now? I tell them. So I'm try to make it simple. I'm say, when I say rest in peace, that means that she gone. Whenever I say rest in peace, rest in peace. I put up one video today. I bear condolences on that video. Mighty God. No man. Nothing can go so. So una can't beat for una pitney them. Una can't beat for una pitney them for nothing. Cause una pickney, no? some of we as adults, we are pickney. Pickney mean children. You guys can't scold your kids. Cause you guys are kids. I say, I'm grieving my mom that's alive. Them say, oh, if I grieve somebody when they're dead. Or if I grieve somebody when they're... What do you mean? What do you mean? Lord God. Oh God. It's true. They make them emote, boy. Jenny, it's not a matter of what doctor says, not what doctor says, what God saying, it's a matter of common sense. So like for example now say, mommy can't breathe, right? What if you say, no, we have faith, so we not get her oxygen pump? We must say that? We must like, oh, mommy can't breathe well, we must say, no, mommy have faith. So because I have faith, me not get her oxygen pump? Guys, that is foolish. Them something that foolish. It without work is dead. What for, guys? Come on, man. Come on. And that is the reason why a lot of us as Jamaicans, we don't have life insurance. That is the reason why a lot of us as Caribbean people, we don't have life insurance. You know why? We hate to have conversations like these. We don't like it. We don't like have conversations like these. We just want to hear say we're going to leave. God gave the knowledge to use oxygen pump. Exactly. Guys, you just have to use knowledge. So me can't say, Gaina, what have to have faith in a Gaina? Say it's like, oh, mommy now breathe good tonight, Gaina. We have faith. Take her off of the oxygen. Guys, that is foolish. Yeah, that is foolish. Give the lady the oxygen. You know, say she's sick. You know, say she's sick. And you know, say if God not heal her, she not go heal. So you put your mind there, so.